Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the pixel art generator created by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify. This is used to create retro-style pixel art from text descriptions using AI. This actor generates pixel art images from text prompts, like this one, in classic 8-bit or 16-bit styles. Every single pixel is explicitly generated, so you get complete pixel coverage with no missing or undefined pixels. It's designed for game developers, digital artists, and anyone who needs authentic retro-style artwork without manually drawing pixels. So, how does it work? The input is very straightforward. First, you just need a description, and remember to be as detailed as possible. Next, you can either choose 8-bit or 16-bit. We'll choose 16-bit for this one. For the width, remember there's recommended values, so we'll go with 64. We'll choose a color palette. The temperature input is for creativity. The closer it is to 1, the more creative the actor will get. We'll leave it at 0.2 for this example. Once it's done, you just click Start. And we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, after just a few seconds, the results appear in this dataset table. Each item includes a direct image URL for the generated pixel art, along with an optimized version that's scaled using nearest neighbor interpolation to keep the pixels sharp. You can click on the image to open the URL, and then you can save the image. This actor is ideal if you want fast, authentic pixel art assets without drawing everything by hand. That's how the pixel art generator works on Apify. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, go ahead and leave us a review. Thank you.